Welcome to Softaken EML to MBOX Converter, your ultimate solution for converting EML files to the popular MBOX format. With this powerful tool, you can easily migrate data from Windows Live Mail, Outlook Express, and Windows Mail to Thunderbird, Mac Mail, Entourage, SeaMonkey, and Eudora. Features of Softaken EML to MBOX Converter: add multiple EML and EMLX files. Convert EML and EMLX files to MBOX format. Support plain text, RTF, and HTML formats. Support Windows 11/10/8/7/others. Step 1. Launch the software. Simply open Softaken EML to MBOX Converter by double-clicking the desktop icon or selecting it from your Start menu. Step 2. Select your EML files. In the user interface, choose between File Mode or Folder Mode to import your EML files. For a single file, select File Mode, or for multiple files, choose Folder Mode. Click the Browse button to find your files. Step 3. Preview email content. Once you've selected your EML files, the software will allow you to preview the emails to ensure you're converting exactly what you need. You can review each file before proceeding with the conversion. Step 4. Configure export options. Here you can select your preferred export settings. Choose to either merge all your EML files into one MBOX file or create separate MBOX files for each folder. You can also filter your data by date range and remove any duplicate emails, making the conversion process even more streamlined. Step 5. Choose destination path. Select where you want your converted MBOX files to be saved. Simply click on Browse and choose the desired folder or create a new one. You're in control of where your data goes. Step 6. Start conversion. Once you've set everything up, click on the Convert Now button. Softaken EML to MBOX Converter will quickly and securely convert your files to MBOX format, keeping all the original data intact. Your conversion is now complete. Check your destination folder to find all your MBOX files neatly organized and ready to use. Enjoy seamless email migration now in the MBOX format. Softaken EML to MBOX Converter. Fast, secure, and easy to use. Convert your email data today and experience hassle-free migration. Visit our website and download your copy now. Thanks for watching.